You will be amazed by this 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Rugged yet refined and totally connected, this RAV4 strikes the perfect balance. Treat yourself to a test drive. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.